Today's Friday, October 24th. This is the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado HORNPAD restoration for my friend Dana in Iowa. Okay, the unit has been completely disassembled. All of the electricals have been cleaned and are ready for reinsertion. The very thin, meaning the thinnest HORNPAD General Motors ever made for 1970, has been revitalized in the original number 10 sable black after going through a re-emulsification process. So it's very supple and flexible. Very critical for 1970 that you have a supple and flexible HORNPAD as opposed to a stiff HORNPAD. The body of the HORNPAD has been cleaned and taken down to bare metal and coated with a corrosion-resistant galvalume coating, consistent with the original coating, which provides electrical continuity to the HORNPAD, meaning that the aluminum component of the galvalume coating provides excellent electrical continuity, which is very necessary for the flexible, very thin, ultra thin, I would say, HORNPAD. Okay, so absolutely beautiful, recoated, surface treated, ready for reassembly. So this is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. The second video will be a functional validation test showing how the horn actuates. Okay, also the Cadillac crest emblem has been redetailed. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, and this will be for my friend Dana in Iowa. And this is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorados from 1967 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, October 25th. Thank you very kindly.